everyone, Stephanie here, and I have an unboxing today. Not really quite sure who it's from, so we're just gonna open it up. Okie dokie, there's some bubble wrap. You want to put some bubble wrap? Okay, we have some leggings. Oh, these are so cool. So these are by Terez, and they are from their Star Wars collection. And these didn't, like, the pictures online of these, it did not do them justice. They are super, super, super pretty. Look at that. And they have a really nice wide waistband. They're nice and stretchy. Fabric is very, very, very soft. These are really nice, high quality leggings. These ones are an extra small. Wow, these are so cool. Just the detail in the print. Okay, so that's one pair. And then this is the other pair. This has a smaller waistband. This is a size small. It has a mix of silver and white, kind of ombre stormtrooper design on it. Again, really soft, really nice and stretchy. And this is the size small. These are available on terez.com, Terez.com. I think they run about $80. They are really nice though. Really, really soft. Okay, well, if you like this video, click like. If you want to see more videos like this one, make sure you click subscribe. Leave us a comment in the comment box below, letting us know where your favorite Star Wars apparel comes from. Also, have you tried these before? Are you into them? What do you think? They have a lot of really interesting designs and patterns as part of the Star Wars collection. And we're going to take some photos and we'll post them. And we will see you guys later. Bye.